Migepe Musalia Mudavadi ne otene jatend piny Kenya nyasi mar yawo ayanga bad magawa mar JW Marriott bade ma Nairobi. Oyawo bade no kama yudre kati mohala ma Global Trade Center kata GTC kamino man kod bede moheomi achiel e piny mangima. Yakoni koro tego weche mag ohala kod jiwo limbe pachoka. Mar JW Marriott pachoka biro yaro thuolo mag keto mwandu kotenre gi lek kod sera mag sirikand Kenya Kwanza.
Nairobi is the go-to place. We're working on a lot of the physical infrastructure that is required for us to take advantage of that location, because it doesn't make sense then to be here in 5 hours and then get stuck for 4 hours in traffic. We're working with His Excellency the President, with the Cabinet Secretary, and both national and county governments to make sure that that efficiency is there for you in Nairobi. In return, I want to be clear. I and my administration understand that we must do our part to support business with the reliable public services and public trust that it needs to get on with things.
I would like each of us to ponder that would an investor come forward and put the kind of billions that have been put here if they have no confidence in Kenya? So this is symbolism of a very strong mark of approval and the level of confidence that Kenya inspires.
The contribution of accommodation and catering enterprises to our tourism is immense. And our interventions are part of a broader strategy to uplift its overall performance and capacity to drive our development agenda